This is my Galaxy Watch 6, and as you can see right here, I broke the screen protector. So today, we are going to be replacing it with this, the YMHML Screen Protector by Amazon. This is the Amazon listing and how much it costs.
Yeah, so it's going to be about $6 right now, but the regular price is $8, which is a really good price for a 4-pack.
Now let's get into changing. The first step to changing your screen protector is taking off the old one. Next step, get your wipes, and you first want to start with the wet wipe. And just do a small little wipe. Make sure your screen's off. As you can see, mine's turned on and then turned back off. Once you're done with the wet wipe, put it to the side. Get the dry wipe, and make sure it's dry. Then you want to take and get your screen protector out. Figure out which side the sticky side is on, which usually is the side that the tab is on, and if you pull it, it'll start peeling back the plastic and you'll be able to tell. Then you want to grab the dust absorbent sticker and very quickly just dab it on. Make sure your screen is off. Mine turned back on. Set that sticker aside. Get your screen protector, and they do give you guide stickers, but for a watch it doesn't help because it's circular. So just grab your guide sticker, peel off the sticky side, and then lay it on with your fingers, still keeping it above. And when you have it in the right spot, just drop it. And you can do some minor adjustments. And then you want to grab your dry cloth again and just push down. And there you have it. A brand new screen protector.
So Evan, what is your opinion on the quality of these screen protectors?
Overall, I think the quality is very good. However, as soon as you bump the edge of the screen protector on anything, it cracks. Which is what happened to me on this screen protector. I bumped it on the bottom of a desk, and then I bumped it on the side of a car door, and both times it cracked.
So would you recommend that somebody buy a screen protector from YMHML for their smartwatch?
Overall, I would recommend it because it has a great price and very durable unless you hit it in its one weak point on the side.
And this company does make screen protectors for a wide variety of smartwatches from a variety of brands, and they make screen protectors for iPhones. So, okay, that's a screen protector.